Imagine a life where every decision you make feels effortless, precise, and aligned with your deepest purpose. Imagine navigating challenges with calm, unshakable focus, free from the confusion, fear, and noise that traps most people. Today, you will gain the tools to cultivate this clarity, to reclaim control over your mind, and to act with unwavering reason in every area of life. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the philosophy of the Stoics, you'll be equipped to apply it immediately, transforming your thinking, your choices, and your life. Most people spend their lives reacting to circumstances, carried away by emotion, desire, or social pressure. They feel powerless, overwhelmed, and often stuck in cycles of indecision or regret. But there is a solution, a discipline that brings freedom, focus, and power. This is the wisdom of Stoicism, the ability to observe, reflect, and act with reason, even when life is chaotic and uncertain. Today, we'll break down 3 core strategies that will give you clarity in thought and decisiveness in action. Before we dive in, it's important to address why your support matters. Creating videos that uplift, guide, and teach is not easy. It requires research, time, and dedication. Every like, comment, and subscription ensures Beyond Vision Mindset continues to provide wisdom that can change lives. You can also support through coffee or super stickers, helping the channel grow while receiving personal gratitude for your contribution. A special thanks to Patsu Global Service, a cleaning company in Finland, whose support made this video possible by providing the resources and materials to help viewers see how human life can be made easier. Their services are linked below in the comment section, and a referral code allows you to earn rewards when inviting a friend. Now, let's dive into the 3 strategies to think clearly and make better decisions. Number 1. Master your mind before you master anything else. The first and most essential step toward clarity is mastering your mind. Many people confuse knowledge with wisdom, believing that acquiring more information automatically improves decision-making. But knowledge without mental discipline is like a sword in the hands of the untrained. It can cause harm, misdirection, and chaos. Life is full of noise, the endless demands of work, social obligations, competing opinions, fear, and distraction. When your mind is crowded, it cannot think clearly. Marcus Aurelius called the mind a fortress. If the fortress is compromised, everything else in life, relationships, work, goals, falls into disarray. Mastery of your mind is not optional. It is the foundation upon which all clarity, reason, and purposeful action is built. Mastering the mind requires deliberate observation. You must watch your thoughts as they arise without automatically acting on them. Every impulse, worry, or desire must pass through the filter of reason. Ask yourself, does this serve my purpose, or is it noise? Is this thought aligned with truth, or is it borrowed from fear, habit, or external influence? This is the first true step towards self-mastery. It is here that the Stoics remind us that power lies not in controlling the world, but in controlling your response to it. I have walked this path personally. There were times when I allowed anxiety, frustration, and pride to dictate my actions. Each decision felt like a trap. Every choice seemed impossibly heavy. I realized that no amount of knowledge could save me from the chaos in my own mind. Only by observing my thoughts, questioning their validity, and training my focus did clarity begin to emerge. Slowly, the storm in my mind subsided. Decisions became sharper. Energy became concentrated. Life became purposeful rather than reactive. Master your mind, and you gain the ability to act with precision, intention, and calm, no matter the external circumstances. The practical application is simple, though not easy. Meditate on your thoughts, journal your reflections, and pause before reacting to every impulse. This daily practice strengthens your mind, builds resilience, and allows clarity to flourish. The Stoics teach us that mastery of the self is the gateway to freedom. When your mind is disciplined, the world cannot control you. You control your life. 2. Step back from emotion and observe reality. Clarity is impossible without stepping back from emotion. Most people allow anger, desire, anxiety, and fear to cloud their perception, creating distorted realities and poor decisions. Stoicism teaches that it is not the events themselves that disturb us, it is our interpretation of them. Epictetus emphasizes that freedom lies in mastering your responses, not attempting to control the uncontrollable chaos of life. Every impulsive reaction is a surrender of power. Every unexamined emotion is a barrier to clarity. To think clearly, you must learn to observe your emotions without letting them dictate your actions. Identify their sources. Question their truth. Are they real or imagined? Are your impulses aligned with reason or borrowed from the expectations of others, social pressure, or past conditioning? I have experienced the consequences of ignoring this discipline. In my past, stress, fear, and frustration controlled my decisions. Opportunities slipped away, relationships suffered, and energy was wasted on conflicts that could have been avoided. Then, slowly, I learned to pause, observe, and reflect. By naming emotions without immediately acting on them, I reclaimed control over my decisions and restored calm to my mind. This practice has real-life applications. At work, in relationships, or in personal challenges, pausing to observe your emotional state transforms outcomes. What once seemed impossible becomes manageable. Anxiety and doubt dissolve when they are acknowledged but not obeyed. Observation without reaction builds resilience. You begin to respond to life with intention rather than chaos. This is the Stoic path, stepping back from emotion, seeing reality clearly, and acting with reason. By cultivating this ability, you gain freedom, control, and clarity, three tools that are indispensable in making better decisions and living a life of purpose. 3. Discipline your thoughts and align your actions. Clarity is not a gift, it is earned through disciplined thought, reflection, and courageous self-examination. When your mind is disciplined, your actions naturally align with your values, goals, and reason. Seneca teaches that a life governed by reason is free from chaos. When your mental energy is concentrated rather than scattered, your decisions become deliberate, precise, and impactful. This principle applies directly to reality. Every day presents decisions that shape your life. Without clarity, these choices are lost in distraction, fear, and impulse. With discipline, they become opportunities for mastery, growth, and purposeful action. Ask yourself, am I responding from reason or reacting from impulse? Does this action reflect my truth, or am I acting from habit, fear, or external pressure? When your decisions align with your highest values, life shifts. Opportunities that once slipped away now present themselves clearly. Challenges that once seemed overwhelming now yield under deliberate, reasoned action. In the quiet center of your disciplined mind, you become free, not a victim of circumstance, but the architect of your life. Every choice matters. Every action is an opportunity to practice clarity, strengthen your mind, and live intentionally. The Stoics teach us that freedom and power are not found in circumstance, they are found within. Discipline your thoughts, align your actions, and watch your life transform. This is not theoretical, it is practical, actionable, and life-changing. Clarity is not given, it is earned through discipline, patience, and courage. By mastering your mind, stepping back from emotion, and aligning your actions with reason, you can make decisions that are deliberate, confident, and transformative. Your life will no longer be dictated by chaos or fear. It will reflect wisdom, purpose, and power. Supporting this channel ensures that we can continue creating content that uplifts, guides, and teaches. Producing these videos is not easy. It takes research, energy, and time. Every like, comment, and subscription ensures Beyond Vision Mindset continues to provide wisdom that can change lives. You can also support through coffee or super stickers, helping the channel grow while receiving personal gratitude for your contribution. A special thanks to Patsu Global Service, a cleaning company in Finland, whose support made this video possible by providing the resources and materials to help viewers see how human life can be made easier. Their services are linked below in the comments section, and a referral code allows you to earn rewards when inviting a friend. Don't miss the opportunity to transform your life through clarity. Subscribe, support, and apply these Stoic principles today. Your mind is your greatest power. Train it, guard it, and let it guide you to a life of mastery.